We've all seen the PewDiePie video. The video where he makes pancakes and everyone else argues that they're not Swedish, but rather European. Ah! But let me argue. Those are crepes. The recipe is the same, if not very similar to crepes. But let me teach you how to make Serbian pancakes. Now, before someone gets angry, they can also be Balkan pancakes. But I'm from Serbia, thus they are Serbian to me. Without further ado, here's how to make Serbian pancakes. Here's what you'll need. Flour, eggs, oil, milk, mineral water, and just a bit of salt. Now, you might be wondering, oh, yeah, what do you mean mineral water? No, that's not what you're wondering. You're wondering what's the amount? Yeah. The amount is whatever you want it to be. I'll put the recipe below, and you can just make it bigger or make it smaller. What you do is put your eggs in the bowl and then mix them with a mixer. Once everything is even, add half of the flour and half of the milk and then mix again. Once that is even, add the other half of the milk and other half of the flour and a bit of salt. Then obviously mix all of that until that's even. And now, the crucial part. Add the mineral water and the oil. This is what makes them Serbian. Not that we invented mineral water, but just I've never seen any other culture put mineral water in their pancakes. So add the mineral water, add the oil, and then mix it all until it's even. And now another crucial step. Leave that to sit for 30 minutes. I know you're hungry. I know you can't wait to eat, but be patient. This is a very important step. And once those 30 minutes are up, it's time for you to put them in a pan. Now this part is very similar to American pancakes, but we didn't make this mixture runny to make small pancakes. Lift out the pan at an angle and pour a bit of the mixture in. Then spin the pan in circular motions to make sure that the whole pan is covered with mixture. And then wait. When it's golden brown, just flip it around. Once the other side is done, just put them in a plate on the side and keep at it. But how do you serve them, you ask? You can put whatever you want in them. You can put Nutella, or jam, or sour cream, maybe salami, maybe cheese. You can put anything you want. You could put a salad in the pancake. Once you've inserted whatever you want to insert, you can either fold them into a fourth or roll them up. Put them on a plate, serve them however you want, and you're done. Enjoy them. You deserve them. You made them. Congrats. In all seriousness, please send me videos of you making these. I would really love to see other people trying them. Please post your creations on Instagram, tag me on your stories, posts, tweets. Just send them to me in the DMs. It doesn't matter. I just want to see them and I want to know your opinions. Like, subscribe, bell notifications, follow me on Instagram. I post art. Follow me on Twitter. I tweet. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye! If you measure in anything else but milliliters and grams, don't. Once everything's even, or homogeneous, Yay! I'm trying really hard to make this thing straight. But I can't even make myself straight! Shut up! What was I saying? When the mixture is gone. Oh boy! Also, another detail, I might have been saying mineral water wrong this whole video. I think it's called sparkling water, but I'm not sure.